Hi, I'm Amrita Subhash.
Hi, I'm Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Hi, I'm Surveen Chawla.
This is Elnaz Naruzi.
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Alright, so we have with us Nawazuddin Siddiqui, flanked by three important women in his life in Sacred Games Part 2, Amrita, Surveen Chawla and Elnaz. बहुत बहुत स्वागत आप लोगों का Bollywood Hungama पे. Pleasure having you guys back. So I've seen the first three episodes of the Sacred Games Part 2, and I think all three of you, I think, have very, very important roles. And obviously, you are the star in the biggest possible sense. कैसा आपका experience रहा इतने talented actresses के साथ में काम करने का? ये national award winning actress हैं Surveen Chawla. I think after this Sacred Games Part 2, she'll be on the next level itself. And Zoya हैं कि कुछ और हैं. That's what Elnaz is all about. And I think she's having a very, very important role in Part 2. Much more than Part 1. कैसा तजुर्बा था आपका?
बहुत मतलब ख़तरनाक था क्योंकि अपने इन्होंने क्या किया, जब इनका जब भी टाइम आया मेरे साथ तो मेरी बजा के गई हैं.
जी तीनों ये बात सही है.
तीनों तो ये तीनों लेडीज़ बिठा रखी हैं. मेरे ख्याल से मुझे लगा इसीलिए बिठा रखी हैं. 3 एपिसोड देख के फिर बात करो आगे. कैसे बजाई.
Alright, so Amrita, I think you're having a fantastic role from whatever I've seen in the 3 episodes so far. Tell us about your experience of just understanding the role that you're having, because you're saying a lot with a deadpan expression.
Yes.
And you can kill literally, and it's something that, and he can't do much about it.
Yeah.
So tell us about the entire preparation that you had for this role.
Yeah, thank you so much, first of all. And so I'm playing role of KDY, who is a raw agent and who's working in Kenya. And she loves her country, like she can die for her country. And she's using Gaitonde, she's controlling him, and she's using him to look for evil forces which are, trying to destroy India. So for her, that is her utmost focus. And anyone who comes between that, she can kill or do whatever, And as you said, yes, because I'm a raw agent, I had to be very calm and not very attacking, because raw agents they are secret agents. You can't make out that she's a raw agent, So she had to look very, very ordinary, but still she's powerful. So this was a different kind of thing. So each role there's this process जहाँ पे आपको रोल कैसे मिलती जाती है, उसके बारे में हम सभी अभी बात कर रहे हैं. इसके बारे में ऐसा हुआ कि फॉर दैट काम येट स्ट्रेंथ, ये जो चाहिए था, उसके लिए मैं योगा कर रही थी, कुछ चीज़ें कर रही थी, लेकिन मैं श्रीलंका गई थी किसी और शूटिंग के लिए. मैं ऐसे ही बोट राइड पे गई थी और वहाँ पे वो कैमलियन होता है ना, एक अलग ही तरह का कैमलियन था, और वो ना ऐसे कर रहा था, उसकी आंखें ऐसे जा रही थी. ओके, और मैं उसको देख रही हूँ क्योंकि वो मुझे ऐसे दिख रहा है, और वो बहुत काम था, पर उसमें इतनी स्ट्रेंथ लग रही थी. मतलब कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे देखते हैं ना, दे आर ऑल्सो अलर्ट, बट ही वॉज काम एंड ही वॉज जस्ट डूइंग दिस, बट ही वॉज पावरफुल. सो मैं उसको देखती रही, ताकती रही, और मुझे लगा ये KDY है. मैं उसको ताकती रह गई, और मैंने मेरे बोर्ड जो चला रहा था उसको कहा उसके नजदीक ले जाओ, उसके नजदीक. एंड यू कांट मेक, आपको नहीं पता कि आपको कहाँ से क्या मिलेगा. तो एक शॉट है, मतलब जिसमें ना, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी कि कब मैं ऐसा करती हूँ, पर एक मेरा I got her energy. Amazing. Because each character की एक एनर्जी होती है. अभी हम ऐसे हंस रहे हैं, KDY is always like this ना, मतलब गुस्सा भी होगी तो उसके चेहरे पे कुछ नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज उसका सारा कैरेक्टर ही है कि जो अंदर है वो बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए. ना उसके अंदर कुछ जाता है, ना उसके अंदर का बाहर जाता है. शी इज जस्ट सो आप उसको टच नहीं कर सकते. कुछ ऐसे लोग बहुत डरावने भी होते हैं और आपको पता ही नहीं चलता कि इनके अंदर क्या हो रहा है. व्हाट इज शी थिंक, इज शी एंग्री, इज शी हैप्पी, इज शी सैड, ऐसे. तो वो कैमलियन जो उस दिन मुझे दिखा, तो एक
गायतोंडे को लगता है कि मैं पावरफुल हूँ, लेकिन मतलब
ये तो कैसे बड़े घड़ियाल बैठे.
All right, and I think she has a human side to it that we get to know as well, yes, which is, I think, complete contrast to that powerful past that she had. All right, so Surveen Chawla, what was your preparation like for this particular role? Because I think you'll be in a different league altogether after this series, because it's not an easy thing to do what you're doing, and there's several stories to her. There are several sides to her. She can be caring, she can be damn aggressive and ruthless as well, and she's seeking love in a strange way as well.
Yeah, yeah.
It's multi-layered.
You've actually given the answer to everything that I had to say.
Very nicely put, actually. Yeah.
Thank you. And thank you for the compliment. Very, very humbling. I was just telling them that I was very confused on set playing Jojo quite a few times. And I left it at that. If you ask me today who Jojo was, even when I was sort of dubbing, I found her to be confused. I found her to be operating from different levels at different times. And as people, I think we box ourselves. This is me and that is me. The only certainty in life about people is that they're extremely uncertain and they're extremely unpredictable, and you cannot box yourself that वो ऐसी है, वो वैसी है, वो ये है, वो है, क्योंकि मैं खुद नहीं कर पाई. The beauty about the character, of course, there are the basics that, you know, she runs an escort service and she's the one confidant and that one friend that Gaitonde has. The one relationship that he trusts over anything in the world. I mean, it would nearly break his heart if she would not remain trustworthy anymore.
In a way, he loves her. In a way, he loves her. शायद उनको भी नहीं पता है. देखिए, मुझे लगता है गायतुंडे जो है एक आर्टिस्ट है और उसको कोई शौक नहीं आर्टिस्ट बनने का, लेकिन वो सर्कमस्टेंसेस उसके इस तरीके के होते हैं कि वो उसको आर्टिस्ट बना देता है. वो उसको खुद भी नहीं पता कि वो कैसे कैसे अलग अलग औरतों से मोहब्बत कर रहा है. But he needs her in a very strange way. आपको लगता है ऐसा कुछ?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, absolutely.
I think it's a very interesting character that you're having, and your Jamila, that's your past, and Zoya is your present, and it's like a very manipulative woman, and she gets her way across, and she's blatantly using Gaitonde in a wonderful way, and then he's happy to be used as well.
Yeah, that's the point. I was going to say that.
Yeah,
I think
he's learning things from her.
Every character. I was just complimenting you. You've done full PhD on every
Yeah,
character
yeah.
in 3
Which is
episodes.
lovely.
It's very engrossing. I think it's the writing as well, because जैसे अगर आपके किरदार के बारे में बात करें तो उसमें जो जिस तरीके की लिखावट है, लिखावट सिर्फ डायलॉग्स में नहीं है, the way it is maneuvered, the way your character is, I think that's outstanding.
Absolutely.
All right, so if you can just tell us about.
I think Jamila, if you think, I mean, obviously, I cannot say that I feel close to Zoya with what I'm experiencing in life. It's obviously very different. But if I look at it like that, I was also a girl who didn't know anything in life and who wanted to come to India and act. Jamila was the same. Jamila was from a small city. She didn't know the language. She came to India. She found him. He helped her. She used him. He used her. So in a way, Jamila grew. She worked really hard on herself. And the way she became Zoya, which you guys will obviously see how that happens. I think somehow it's great to play a character where you see the change of one person, which were actually 2 people. And I feel that even me in my life, I was another person when I was younger. And now I have evolved and grown, and now I'm someone else. So I was very happy to be able to play. For me, I feel like I'm playing 2 characters in Sacred Games, because Jamila was very different than Zoya.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, so this was very great for me to be able to show someone who's very vulnerable and has no idea what's going on, and then someone who knows everything and who's not gonna take any shit, you know.
And the interesting part is that everyone is human. I think even your character, it has certain human shades, the way you introduce Sartaj to whoever. At a certain times, I think it's very human. That's the best part. Writing के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Because जिस तरीके के writing इस series में रही है, part 1 में, part 2 में भी, not merely the dialogues. Obviously, I think the screenplay is wonderful, but dialogues इतने iconic हो चुके हैं आपके career में. मेरे ख्याल से I think some of the most popular dialogues जो आपके career में अगर रहे होंगे तो वो season 1 के रहे होंगे. Season 2 I think has a lot of stuff as well. So कुछ अगर आप writing के बारे में बताना चाहें तो.
Writing तो amazing है.
That's it.
अब इसके मतलब वाकई really मतलब.
मैं extension कर देती हूँ.
हाँ बता दो.
Extension. No, the fact is writing is amazing, and I think behind every character, the winner is the writer. Behind every single character.
I'm specially
Like to give
thanking
that
writers.
credit.
Sorry.
Yeah,
I'm
please go
specially thanking writers because in the book, KDY is a man. The writers team has made her
Into a woman.
Yeah,
Into a
it's
woman.
like, I especially
That's
thank the
commendable.
writers.
Even the way they have, I think they have interwoven Hindi, Marathi, English. I think that's beautiful because it's like you have to understand the context, and that's something which is
very
special.
universally
And they-
appealing.
Very
And they
universal.
worked really hard. I remember they were on sets with us.
We have this short quiz, considering that Nawaz bhai has these three important women in his life in this series. So हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि आप लोग गायतुंडे को कितना जानते हैं? How well do you guys know Gayatunde? So we have a few
Okay.
questions, and we can give you options as well if you want.
Okay.
And let's find out that who knows Gayatunde better. So are you ready, Nawaz bhai? Whoever knows first can go for it. If you want options, I can give it to you. Ganesh Gayatunde tells Sartaj Singh on a call to save the city in how many days?
25 days.
ये तो सबको पता है.
But things will be easy. So I think she said it first.
She said it.
But
So
she
one,
also said-
yeah. No, but it's.
Acha, wait,
believe it
somebody
to
has
be
to
You're
win.
possible.
trying to get our competitive streak
Yeah,
out.
please.
Okay, then.
Please.
Like that.
Yeah, yeah. 25. Please, 25. So I think we've already said that before. Who does Ganesh Gayatunde gets married to? I'll give you the options of
Gayatri Deshpande.
That's the
friend, his teacher, his maid, his assistant.
his mate.
She got it.
I'm quick.
So please, we need a bit of firepower from
Did
you
you
guys.
just see the season 1?
नहीं यार मुझे याद है.
What was the name of Ganesh Gayatunde's wife? I'll give you options. Rachna, Subhadra, Rajshri.
Subhadra.
She got it. So 2-1 and
this by
2-1.
saying it.
ये मुझे याद नहीं
Surveen
था.
has to open her account. Which among the following is Ganesh Gayatunde's favorite dish? Rasgulla, gulab
Kharbas.
jamun. Yeah, she got it.
Oh my god.
All.
I'm not in the running only.
Listen.
Okay.
I need to get my game going. Yeah.
Yes. All right. So this is very easy. Ganesh Gayatunde has no scene in Sacred Games with which of the following actors? I'll give you options. Radhika Apte, Girish Kulkarni, Neeraj
Radhika
Chaudhary.
Radhika Apte. Yeah.
Bam, bam, bam.
3, 2.
I'm not going to answer only now.
No, please don't do that. You can redeem yourself. I think you're playing a deadly character, so I'd leave. Sure.
Yeah, we should be scared of her.
What was the name of Ganesh Gayatunde's real father?
Pandit.
I'll give you options. Ramakant, Somnath, Gajanan, Eknath.
Oh my god.
Eknath.
My real husband has played this character. I don't know his name.
Are you serious?
My real
4.
husband has played this.
So I think she has done proper research and. Alright, so 4-2.
Yeah, that's my real husband. Now he'll kill me if I couldn't answer this question.
Sorry,
Yeah?
Elna takes the cake.
Alright, so where does Ganesh Gayatunde sees Cuckoo for the first time? At hotel, pub,
Bar.
club.
Drinking.
I think she's winning it.
Option में नाम आने वाले हैं, I thought.
Zoya and Jamila.
I promise you, she's seen the whole season just
Yes,
now.
yes, she has done.
5-2. You are enjoying this attention? You're loving it? Alright. मैं कुकू के पीछे भाग रहा था और देश ... धर्म के पीछे, पॉलिटिक्स
मेरे
के पीछे,
पीछे।
मंदिर के पीछे, क्राइम के
मंदिर के पीछे.
पीछे. She got it. And she has opened her account. So 5-2 and 1.
One.
Not bad at all. Ganesh Gayatunde has been missing for how many years?
Oh.
10, 12, 14, 16.
14. 12.
10.
Top option did.
12.
10.
10, 16 years.
16.
Yeah, so that no one gets
How
it right.
can I not know that?
दुनिया के बाजार में सबसे बड़ा धंधा है दुनिया के बाजार
धर्म.
में
धर्म.
My God.
She's done like a proper research.
I did all research. I'm acting in the series.
6-2. When Ganesh Gayatunde is suddenly attacked in jail, who comes to save him? Bunty, Mathu?
Mathu.
She was good.
हम तो ऑप्शंस आने के पहले ही आ रहा है कुछ तो हम तो
And then Jamila.
7-2. Who played the role of young Ganesh Gayatunde in Sacred Games?
Oh,
Sunny
that
Pawar.
lady.
She got it.
So cute he is.
Well done, girl.
7-3 and 1.
Well done, girl.
7 is my favorite number.
Right.
I have a point to make.
Ji.
Can you ask all these questions if,
Nawaz.
let's say, to Nawaz, he will not know about
And also any speech?
But we enjoyed it.
ये-
Thank you so much.
Thank
We
you very
love
much.
this.
ये जो आपके पीछे ये 3 जो एक्ट्रेसेस एंड जो इतनी खूबसूरत लेडीज जो हैं वो दीवानी हो रही हैं आपको कैसा लगा आपके एहसास
इसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
नहीं आप अगर बताना चाहें गणेश गायतुंडे को कैसा लगेगा
गणेश गायतुंडे तो मतलब ऐसे पागल हुआ पड़ा था ना इनके पीछे तो guys.
We are recording now.
मैं यही कह रहा था कि वो भी कुछ खोजता जा रहा है सबके अंदर से ना कि कुछ मिले बट हमेशा क्या हंस रही है
उसको बात तो करने दिया कमाल कर
And I won the game.
Okay.
So congratulations. How do you feel on winning the Gaitonne game?
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I won an award.
And the winner is Elnaz.
We'll give you an award for that.
Yes.
And we'll talk to her. Thank you very much for talking to us and all the best wishes for season
Thank
2.
you.
I'm sure that
Thank you
it's
so
going to be
much.
rocking. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kalvi.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Amrita Subhash.
Hi, I'm Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Hi, I'm Surbeen Chawla.
This is Elnaz Naruzi.
And
you're watching Bollywood Hungama.